everyone, and thanks for joining us on this lesson where we are going to explore how we can use tree diagrams to find possible outcomes. So let's start off with a easy question. How many possible outcomes are there to flipping a coin? Well, we should know that we only have two possible outcomes. We can either get heads or we can get tails. But what about the possible number of outcomes for flipping a coin twice in a row? Now, to find the possible number of outcomes here, we're going to construct a tree diagram. So our first flip, we're either going to end up with heads or with tails. So if our first flip is heads, then our second flip has two options. And again, those options are heads or tails. And the same goes if our first flip lands on tails. Our second flip has two options, again, either heads or tails. So now our completed tree diagram will help us to find the exact number of possible outcomes for this scenario. One outcome is heads on the first flip and heads on the second flip. Another is heads on the first flip and tails on the second flip. You could also get tails on the first flip and heads on the second flip. Or you could get tails on the first and second flip. And we see here that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 possible outcomes for this scenario of flipping a coin twice in a row.
Ooh.